Here's a basic guide to cooking Texas-style beef brisket. Ingredients: 1 whole beef brisket, 10-12 pounds. Salt and pepper to taste. Optional, your favorite dry rub or seasoning blend. Instructions: pre-ink the brisket, trim excess fat from the brisket, leaving about 1/4 inch of fat on top. Season the brisket generously with salt and pepper. You can also use a dry rub if preferred. Let it sit at room temperature for about 1 hour before cooking. Preparing smoker. Preheat your smoker to 225 to 50 F107121C. Texas-style brisket is traditionally smoked low and slow over wood, such as oak or mesquite. Add wood chunks or chips to the smoker for a smoky flavor. Oak is a classic choice for Texas-style brisket. Smoking the brisket. Place seasoned brisket fat side up on the smoker grate. Close the smoker and let the brisket cook for several hours without opening the lid. The cooking time will vary depending on the size of the brisket, but plan for around 1.5 hours per pound of meat. Maintain a consistent temperature and add more wood as needed to keep the smoke going. Checking for doneness. After several hours, start checking the internal temperature of the brisket using a meat thermometer. You're aiming for an internal temperature of around 195205 F9196C for a tender brisket. Another way to check for doneness is by testing the brisket's tenderness. Insert a probe or fork into the thickest part of the brisket. It should slide in easily with little resistance. Resting and slicing. Unsheathed brisket reaches the desired temperature and tenderness. Remove it from the smoker and let it rest on a cutting board, tented with foil, for about 30–60 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute. After resting, slice the brisket against the grain into thin slices. Serve with your favorite barbecue sauce or enjoy it as is. This Texas-style brisket recipe emphasizes the slow smoking process, which helps develop a rich, smoky flavor and tenderizes the meat. Adjust the seasoning and cooking time based on your preferences and equipment. Enjoy your Texas-style barbecue. And as always, thanks for watching.